Alright guys, so for a long time I've been using my car without a horn. As you see this, no horn. Cause I got the JDM steering wheel instead of the USDM. And I found out a way to fix it today. So you take out the two bolts, one on this side, one on the other side right here. If you have the steering wheel, you should know. Take this out carefully. And what I didn't know when I got it, I never crossed my mind that this thing, the negative side connects right here. And for the positive side, I never knew where to put it. So I put it with this black wire that was right here. You just connect it. Hold up. I just put it like this. As you can see that if it focuses. But yeah, after that it should work. So that's how I fixed it.